Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Disorderly Intoxication at its Finest, man. Let's get into the video.
What is going on? What the f is going on? You're gonna come over here and you're gonna talk to me. What the f is going on right now? You're gonna come over and you're gonna talk to me. Listen, they close me. They close me. They close me. They close me. You're gonna keep it up a bit of coffee. No one's doing anything. You know, I'm not doing anything. Relax. I'm not doing anything.
Okay, relax. Just relax.
No one's doing anything.
Relax.
I'm gonna whip out my f***ing phone right now to record this whole...
What?
Yeah, you see what's happening right now.
Stop.
You see what's happening right now.
Yeah, I want to know what's going on with you. You got hit by a car, right?
Yes.
Okay, you're running in front of cars, right?
No,
What is your problem?
No, what is my problem? What is going on? Can you let me go?
Because I asked you to talk to you and you're not listening.
Can you let me go, please? I'm not trying to fight with you at all.
No.
No one's trying to fight with you, brother. No one's trying to fight you. Let go. I promise you, God. No one's going to run away. You're not going to run away. Ow. You're not going to run away. I promise. No one's trying to fight with you.
Where are you going?
Why are you grabbing my hand like that?
Where are you going?
I'm just chilling.
You're
I'm
not
waiting
staying
for my
here.
go. No, I'm not. I'm leaving right now.
Where are you going?
To my girlfriend's house.
Where is that?
It's up on the road. What's the problem?
Where up on the road?
My brother, let go of me right now.
Dude, I'm not letting go until I'm done talking to you.
Came walking up down here, very flustered, and then I think he went inside.
Went inside, then came back out and was just passing back and forth.
And then we saw him, and we were like, oh, she just walked that way. So we went back that way, came back, very flustered again. Told him to sit down and gave us some water, and that's when the officers came up after he sat down right here.
You understand me?
But you're unnecessary right now.
You're down there causing problems at CVS.
Who was causing problems?
You were.
I got hit by a car and I'm causing problems.
You were causing problems running in the middle of the road.
I'm just trying to get my...
Tell me where you're going.
Came in, slammed open the door, asked to come sit inside. I told him, no, you can't sit inside. Whatever, ran back out, ran down the street, came back, sat at the tables with people that he knew, drank water. Then I approached him. He was resisting arrest, and then took him across the street and was being crazy.
I'm just trying to get to my girlfriend.
Well, where is it?
Can I get my phone?
Yeah, when you're done telling me where it is.
Alright, you guys are being unnecessary. You're grabbing.
Do you want to go to jail for disorderly?
Disorderly for what?
Do you want to go for
No
disorderly?
one's fighting you. No one's fighting you.
You're tensing up on me.
What?
Yes, you are.
You grab me on my hands.
Where are you going?
Brother, I'm going to my girlfriend.
Where?
Let me go.
She live?
I've been chopped.
Where?
I don't know.
You don't know where it is?
No.
Then how can you go there?
You're not going to your girlfriend's.
Brother, I'm just trying to go to my girlfriend. Please, can I get my phone?
No.
Please, can I get my phone?
I'm not done talking to you.
Do you have an
I'm just
ID
trying
on
to
you?
get my phone. No, I don't. Please, can I get my phone? I feel like brother.
Dude,
please, can I get my phone? Please.
I wonder if this guy is like a foreigner or something. Like, he definitely has an accent, but he is whacked out of his mind, man. He is so intoxicated. It's not even funny, dude. He don't even know what day it is.
Can I get my phone? You're being unnecessary.
I said,
what
yeah.
the fuck are you talking about?
I'm going to cuff you in a minute because you're not paying attention.
Why?
Relax, grab his
Bro,
arm.
why? Whoa. For what? For what are you grabbing my arm? What are you doing right now? Stop resisting. Stop resisting. They're cops. They're cops. Ow! Stop. Ow! That just is Go down. What? You're gonna have to go on the ground. What? Put him on the ground. What the fuck? Put him on the ground. Put him on the ground. Dude, I'm just trying to get my phone. Fucking dweeb. What the fuck is going on?
Give me your hand.
What is going on?
There ain't no way. It's like 4 officers and they could barely get him to the ground. Ain't no way, dog. These guys, yo, y'all weak, bruh. Like, what's going on?
Give me your hands.
What is going on? What is going on? What the fuck is going on? What is going on? Bro, you're pushing my hand. You're pushing my hand. This is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow. What are you doing? The cops are abusing me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I got his other hand, but I don't know if I can get behind him.
What are you doing? Ow! 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 Ow!
Got him? No.
Ow! Ow!
I can't.
Ow!
I can't. I'm losing his grip on his other hand.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Come on, give it.
I'm not even fighting you, bro.
Your arm.
I'm not even fighting
Give me
you.
your arm.
Bro. I'm not even fighting you.
Give him your arm,
I'm
then.
not even fighting you, bro. Relax.
There we go.
I'm not even fighting you. I'm not even fighting you, dog.
All that yelling was crazy. Oh my God, my ears were ringing. He like, I'm not even fighting you. Then put your hands behind your back and let him cuff you. If you ain't fighting him.
I'm not even fighting you, bro. What the fuck?
We need a cage for
I'm
him.
not even fighting you, bro. What the fuck is going on? I don't even know what's going on. I need to make a call right now. I need to make a call right now. Ah! 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 Ah!
Okay, stop.
Stop! Stay hurting me! Stay hurting me! I want your pants up now! Give me my phone! Give me my phone! I want your pants up now!
Hold on.
Ah!
All you had to do is talk.
Brother, get over me right now! What are you doing? No one was fighting you!
You were
No one
fighting
was
me.
just fighting you! No one was fighting you! No one was fighting you! No one was fighting you!
You were.
I was chilling! I was chilling! You fucking want to push another bro like that? No one was fighting you!
Relax.
No one was fighting you though! This is why you have a bad name in the States, you fucking dweeb. Look at what you did. I did nothing wrong. You want to fuck me up like that. I did nothing wrong.
I wanted to talk to you.
All right,
You
but
didn't
look
want
what
to
you
talk.
did. Look what you did. You shoved me on the floor like a fucking animal.
Because you kept
Right.
resisting.
Okay, so that's what you guys do.
You kept
That's what-
resisting and tightening
George
up.
Floyd. That's what you guys did. That's what you guys did. George Floyd, look at you. How are you holding my hands behind my back? Look what you did. Look what you did, you fucks. You, that's so disrespectful. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
You're acting like a kid, bro.
I bet that. Bet that. Look what you guys did.
Stop running your mouth. That's what got you in trouble, my friend.
My brother, so this is
Okay,
what
talk.
this is
Talk
what
like
running
an adult.
this is what running your mouth gets. I'm sorry.
Yes.
I'm sorry. This is what running your mouth.
I just want to vent.
Let's stand up.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Transport to booking, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you arresting for me for? Fuck. Where's my phone?
Have a seat.
Where's my phone?
Get your phone.
Where's my
We'll
phone?
get you your phone.
Where's my phone? Undo these
You'll-
handcuffs.
You'll get it.
Where's my phone? No, I haven't. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
We have your phone.
Where is it? Right now.
You get it.
We have your phone.
Hey. Hey, you gonna be cool, right?
I'm chilling, my dog. I don't know why I'm here.
Where you
I'm
from?
so
Where you from?
confused why I'm here. I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay.
I got tackled by you guys for nothing.
Okay.
I'm chilling. Go.
Well, let's go
I'm not
talk
gonna
about
do
it.
nothing. I promise I'm okay. Do your thing.
Come
do
on.
your thing, yeah? Do your thing. Please don't touch me. I got it. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Where are you from, bro?
Brother, son, I've done nothing wrong.
Are you down here
My
for...
brother, my girlfriend, sir, I've done...
It's okay. We can talk about it, bro. Relax. It's all good.
Hey, I'll take Cam. You want to drop your zero?
We'll talk about it right now, okay? Take a deep breath. Come on.
Don't cry now.
Go ahead and hold this one down over here, okay? Before just doing that, just take yourself on the head.
I was like, my brother, stop grabbing me. I'm not fighting you. Then I have this one guy grabbing me and pushing me in the face. I don't give a fuck. All I'm saying, I've done nothing wrong. I promise you. I'm not sure trying to fight you guys. I said the same thing. Me and my girlfriend broke up. I'm dealing with this as it is. and I would get arrested randomly.
Well, let me figure out what's going on with that,
Do your
okay?
thing, do your thing.
First, let me leave you
Can I
alone for a
please
minute.
go on my shit?
Yeah, hold on a sec. All right?
I just turned around and said, why I got punched?
You got punched?
So I don't really care how it could happen, to be honest with you.
Okay.
There's 6 weeks grabbing me, and then the 1 week's telling me, pushing my face in the floor like this, stop resisting, stop it. I'm like, my brother, I told him, kid, why are you grabbing me like this? I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, what's your name, buddy?
It's cold. C-O-L-E. Where's the lawyer? That's what I want.
Let me explain to you something,
Okay, I don't want to explain anything.
If you want a lawyer, that means we need to get you a lawyer if we keep on asking you any kind of incriminating questions. At this point, we're not going to ask you any incriminating questions. We're not going to ask you any incriminating questions, okay? So the only question, I have questions.
I want the lawyer because this is discriminatory.
I'm trying to get your information.
I've done nothing. I could be acting like that. I could be acting like that.
What's your last name?
Where is my lawyer?
What's your last name?
Right now.
What's your last name?
No. Give me my lawyer right now.
So your paperwork should say John Doe?
Right now.
So should your paperwork say John Doe? Okay. Okay. Do you understand that you're under arrest?
This is the thing that people don't be understanding. It's like, yo, you only get the lawyer when they're about to question you about the incident. You know what I'm saying? When, they read you your Miranda rights and stuff like that. He's not questioning him about the incident. He's just asking him his name. What's your name? Maybe name, address, stuff like that. That's not any, that got nothing to do with, the case,
For what?
Disorderly intoxication and resisting.
Resisting who?
A law enforcement officer.
So that's a goddamn law. That's why I want a lawyer. So, big facts. If that's the case.
Okay. You're free to get a lawyer after the fact. We're not going to ask you any questions about the incident. Okay?
The suspect was charged with disorderly intoxication and resisting an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.